Hello everyone. Here is a very happy news for the students of ICSE, CBSE and all state syllabus curriculum. A quality product from Fusion Scientific Glassware, that is Laboxd Science Experiment Kit with the theme Let's Get Experimental, is available for all students. In this video, we are going to unbox Class 6 Science Activity Kits. The box seems to be quite big and neatly packed. It is clearly written as Class 6. Let us open the box. Oh, wonderful! The box is full of activity packets. Now let us look into the contents of the box one by one. Anemometer, very nice activity. The procedure sheet, a yellow boat, wooden sticks. Periscope. Wow! Procedure sheet, constructing items, cardboard cylinder, and mirror strips. Do all objects form shadows? This is a good activity. The procedure sheet, a yellow base with required items, a good torch, a small white sheet, and some pins. Effects of the magnets. Everyone likes the activity with magnets. A procedure sheet, boat with required items, a paper cup, magnet, pins and a thread. Pinhole camera, enjoyable activity. Explanation sheet, 2 yellow boats with required cuttings and markings, some pins and paper boats. This is a pair of gloves which can be used while performing the activities. Goggles for eye protection. This is the necessary item for eye protection. Use this while conducting the experiments. Very clear. It is a good quality product. One more neatly packed box. Let's open and analyze the contents. This box is full with items. This box is full with items. Spirit, copper sulfate, sugar, common salts, iodine solution, sodium hydroxide, a beaker, test tube holder, a small bulb width holder, this is a clean glass beaker. Some paper cups, a measuring tape, this seems to be a water glass. Yes, it is a water glass. A good tripod stand, a plastic dropper, wow, this is a spirit lamp. This is a delivery tube with L shape. This is a glass rod used for mixing while performing the experiments. This is a test tube stand. We are provided with 4 test tubes. This is a part of the stand. Fix it carefully to arrange the test tubes. Wonderful! Looks very nice. I am enjoying. I believe it's a magnet. Oh, horseshoe magnet. This is a bar magnet. A battery holder. Filter papers. A battery. A funnel. A wire gauze. It's a glass conical flask. I am so excited to use them. Moving on to the next experiment, we have hydraulic lift, a joyful activity. We are provided with a yellow boat and 2 syringes. Traffic light, very knowledgeable experiment. Boat with markings. Battery. A screwdriver. Metal strips, connecting wires and bulbs. Windmill, good activity. Procedure sheet. Boat with several markings. Paper cuttings and thread. And a wooden stick. Electric torch with switch. Innovative activity. A good procedure sheet. A board with markings, battery, screwdriver, metal strip and 2 strips. Connecting wires, bulb holder and bulb. We can use these things to test conductor and insulator. Conductivity test in different liquids. Procedure sheet. Metal strips connecting wires and a board with some reagents and chemicals. And the next experiment is mirror reflects a beam of light. A baseboard, mirror strips, and the torch. Filtration process. A procedure sheet, a board with required items, 3 wooden sticks, and filter papers. Okay, now we have looked into the contents of Class 6 activity kit. It's really worth buying this kit. Laboxd team has done a wonderful job by providing this kit. All the activities are excellent, innovative and creative. Don't you think so? I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.